Hi there. Today I'm going to talk about what are the 5 major decisions taken by the Education Minister of Karnataka for the academic year of 2020 and 2021. Number 1. Many parents opposed when government announced that schools will be starting online classes during the pandemic because parents felt that these classes will be not effective for the lower grade kids, and many students don't have a proper laptop or a desktop. Even if they have the smartphone, the mobile network were really not supporting to take the online classes. So, considering their opinion, government had a discussion with child psychiatrists and the educational experts. So, they came up with a decision that they'll be banning the online classes from nursery to grade 5 for state board and central board, which is there in Karnataka for all the schools. However, the student who's studying from grade 6 to grade 10 still can take the online classes. Government has formed a committee. So the panel of experts will be doing the ground research, and they'll be studying what are the challenges of online classes, and they'll be sending the report to the education minister in the span of 10 days. And education minister announced schools should not collect fees for the online classes and requested to the schools that if they can reduce the fees for the students because many people are losing their jobs during the pandemic. Number 2, Education Minister has announced 8.5 lakh students had registered to write SSLC exam for the academic year of 2019-2020. Students will be wearing masks and they'll be writing the exam. Hand sanitizers will be placed at the school during the exam. Healthcare Minister has assured at least 2 ASHA workers will be deployed at each school during the exam. Government will be providing N95 masks for the students who's coming from confinement zone. Government has requested the parents not to be panicked because high care precautionary measures have taken to conduct the SSLC exam. Number 3, Education Minister held a meeting for education officers of Udupi, Dakshina Kannada and Uttara Kannada districts on the preparations of SSLC exam. During the meeting, he confirmed Karnataka government doesn't have any plan of opening school from July 1st, 2020. If government decides to start school, it will be only after August 2020 and it will be on a phase-wise manner. For example, first phase it will be for the high school, second phase it will be for the primary school, third phase it will be for the lower grade schools. Number 4, Education Minister confirmed that parents' opinion will be considered before taking any decision in reopening the schools, because ultimately parents are the one who decides whether they should send their kids to school or not during the pandemic. So the government has requested the parents to give their opinion at the school from June 12 to June 20. Later, school will be submitting the parents' opinion at student achievement tracking system. Based on the parents' opinion, government will be having a detailed discussion with the higher officials and they'll be deciding whether should we start the school or not. Number 5, Education Minister had confirmed the Human Resource Development has given the permission to start the school after August 15. However, Karnataka government is not in a hurry to start the school because his department is working on how to reduce the syllabus for the late start of academic year 2020-2021 so that we can lessen the burden on the students. And they are in discussion with the higher officials and educational experts. So once they get the final approval, they'll be sharing the entire syllabus plan with the parents. If you really like my video, please give a thumbs up, and if you want me to talk on any particular topic, please mention it in the comment section. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll be posting 2 videos in a week. Having said that, this is Joshua Jeremiah signing off. Until I meet you in the next episode, do not forget your roots and your heritage, where you came from. Good day.